Hi, thanks for opening my video. I'm going to talk to you today about some of the changes we've made to the website. You might have just received my email describing some of those changes. The three changes that I'm going to talk about are the changes to the product brochures directory, also to the site search, which is up here in the top right, and also to the left navigation popular topics area. So I'll go quickly into the product brochures and I'll get the product brochures search. So let's say I'm looking for bathroom taps, but I only typed in taps. I could then go into bathroom taps and then I'll see a set of results. Now previously you would have seen a much thinner set of results, and you'd also have seen a much smaller front pages of the brochures. For this change, we've made them a lot larger now, and the idea is that we've heard a lot of feedback from people using the site that when they enter these categories, they really just want to get a good browsing experience of the ability to see something that they like, that catches their eye. And I think we've effectively done that now, and we've received some feedback that has suggested that as well. But as you go through, you can see now that I can see some brands or some nice taps that might catch my eye. And if I do see one that I happen to like, I can go into that brochure and I can have a look and see more information, which is the rest of the pages of the brochure. And then if I'm satisfied with that, I can also then make an inquiry to ask more questions, or I can go back to the search results and I can start looking for other brochures. You'll also notice as well that we've still included the logo of the business, and when you roll over that, you can then see just a larger version of the logo with a quick description of the business, and also the name of the business with a link as well. And if I was to press on that link, I'll then go to the profile of that customer and also see their brochures. So that's the main first change. If I suggest from here that you go and have a look at your own brochures and see where they are, see how they present, and just imagine that you're a user and sort of browsing through that category and seeing if what you see on the front page of your brochure, does that explain or does that really answer the question that person might be looking for. The second change I wanted to show you was the change we made to the site search here. Now the site search has been something that we use on the site, that you can just sort of type in any sort of keyword phrase. We've noticed though that a lot of people are using that to find product categories or general local categories, and they've been using that for that purpose. So what we've done is we've put a predictive search on that. So if I was to start typing in doors, I would then see a list of all the categories within home improvement pages that have the word doors in them. So again, you could see I've got some local categories which would be door installers repairs or security screen door installers repairs, but I've also got some product brochure categories as well. For example, French doors, internal doors, and I can also see how many brochures are in that category as well. And if I were to press one of those, I would then go into that category. Okay. And the last change I want to talk to you about is our popular topics. And so the idea here is that previously we did have another navigation before, and that was a link to all of the local categories. So it was just our links to plumbers, electricians and architects, whereas we do have a lot of product categories now on the site, and this section is to try and tie that all together. So you do get your things like your emergency trades, and I can go in there and find them, but I can also say look for doors, and I'll get door installers or door supplies or door hardware. So if I went to say door installers, I could get a link to find tradies to help me install or repair my doors, and other local categories, or I could also see the product brochures related to doors, so all the different types of doors I guess here, and also door hardware and some more categories. So these are the changes to the website. With regards to the product brochures, again, if you need any assistance with that at all, please don't hesitate to contact us on 1300 762 994. You can speak to one of our customer service reps, or you can email us on support@hipages.com.au.